All right, we're gonna do some snowstorm beach hunting. It's already late. I'm just gonna get out there and see if I can find something. It looks like there's been a lot of sand pulled out, at least from up high anyway. And I can see where they're replenishing the dunes, so to speak. So maybe I'll head up that way if I make it that far. Not sure, but we'll see. Yeah, so there's some rocks exposed. Not all of them. Usually this whole area right in here is all rocks. At least when the sand is starting to go out. So yeah, it's snowing. It's also low tide. I must be stupid or something. I'm not the only stupid person. There's people walking up there, so. Yeah, they're definitely moving some sand up there. Maybe I'll get up there, I don't know, we'll see. Alright, I'm on my first target right here. At least I think that's a target. We'll see. $22, $23 out of the hole. And looks like a door to a toy car. Alright, that's kind of a good sign. Alright, I just got onto an 8-9 signal. I've walked a little ways. I haven't had any targets. 8-7. Solid 8 out of the hole. Oh, get the pinpointer out and see what it says. And it looks like a crusty penny. Yep. Crusty Zinkin. Alright, so here's their dredging operation. Probably can't see all the sand and water coming up over there. It's flowing down this trench right here and heading out that way. That's cool. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get across that stream though. We'll see. It's pretty wide. So, we're actually doing something. I don't know, I hope this changes the beach a lot. We'll see. We shall see. Tell you what though, that's some nasty smelling water. Oh, plant matter and just stuff that's been decaying on the bottom of the friggin' harbor. Oh my god, just nasty. Alright, I'm over in the pile here. I don't know if you can see the little operation they got going on over there. I got a target right here, 24, 26. I got something. It's probably a penny. Yeah, it's an old Lincoln Memorial. Dang it. So the beach is already getting covered in snow pretty good. It's starting to get dark. I'm heading back right now. I didn't find much in that one little side of the pile. I wish I could have actually crossed that little river. It might have been a little bit better. Yeah, it's nothing. Yeah, so I didn't find much. Of course, I kind of beelined it from where I was all the way to that pile, so I didn't really detect hard. But yeah, Wells Beach is Wells Beach. One last view of their little operation over there. Yeah, a little dredging operation is kind of cool. But it's going to be a matter of who gets over there first when they start burying stuff back in. And hopefully I get over there. I just had a weird tone. It was like a 8, 9, 10, 9, 10. And it's right down there. Let me see if I can get it. And it's a beaver tail. Oh boy. All right, I'm back out with Badger at his spot. Haven't pulled up much but bullets, some lead weights, and just random pieces of pot metal. Did, however, just pull this up. It rang up low. I don't know what it is. I have no clue. It is something though. But I have to say though, it's a beautiful, beautiful day. All right, so we're finding some stuff. Badger's got himself two Indian head pennies. I just pulled up this little cross. Obviously Jesus isn't on there right now, but it rang up a 15, 16. I don't know what it's ringing up now. Hold on a second. 14, so it's probably not silver. And if it is, it's probably low grade silver. But hey, jewelry. All right, we're making our way down the beach here. I just had a solid 17, and looks like it could be a button. Usually that's what 17s are, is buttons. And no, it's not a button, I don't think. I don't know what that is. Looks to be the size of a penny, maybe. It could be a button. Could be. Really thin. So. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I'm thinking there's a good possibility it's a button. All right, I got something here. It's probably modern, but popped up I think it rang up a 12, 11, 12, 11. Usually that's a button. This looks like a coin now. And we got a buffalo nickel. Heck yeah. All right. I like that. The buffalo nickel's good. Let's go down to the water and wash this off. I don't know if I'll be able to get a date off that right now or not, but yeah. Buffalo nickel. I think once I get all the grain off it, it'll be I might have a date. I don't know. We'll see. There's lots of targets to dig out here. 90% of them are total trash. Yeah, so. Well, I just dug something up here. I got a, it was a 4.5. It was a low tone, super low tone. I don't know if you can see that right there. Washer excitement. Wah, wah, wah. Alright. I just got a target down here. I haven't dug it up yet, but this was right next to it. Watch this. I don't know if you can see that through the camera or not. See how red that is and purple that is? That is red glass.